Hi fams! Today I'm excited to share my go-to vegetable spaghetti recipe with you. It's easy to make and packed with flavors. And trust me, you won't believe how tasty this is with just a few ingredients. Let's dive in. Into the pan, I introduce sesame oil and I will introduce vegetable oil alongside. Allow the oil to heat up. I introduce garlic, introduce onions. I will stir together to combine. Allow it to fry for up to 2 to 3 minutes. I will then introduce fresh pepper. You can just dice it if you want, or pound or blend it. Any method you choose to use is okay. For me, I used the pounded pepper. Then I introduce it. I'm going to stir properly to combine and then allow it a bit time for 1 minute to fry, together with the rest ingredients. Into a boiling water, I introduce a bit of salt. I'll introduce the pasta. Then I'll allow this to cook alongside while I am also preparing the vegetables. This process will help avoid the pasta from getting sticky. And before your vegetables will be ready, the pasta will also be ready. So you introduce the both together. Now going back to the pan of vegetable, after introducing garlic, onions, pepper, I introduce carrot. I will stir together to combine and allow this to fry just a bit. I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to the channel. This is 426 Kitchen. I want to thank you very much for stopping by. Your presence here is a big deal to us. Okay, if you love what we do here and you're new, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time we introduce a new video. Thank you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate you. So after allowing the carrot fry a bit, I introduce red and green pepper. I introduce spices and then I'll stir together to combine and allow this to fry just a little bit. When we introduce the spaghetti, we're going to stir fry it properly. And here I introduce a bit of crushed seasoning and it's time to introduce the pasta. The pasta is ready. I'm going to strain the water and then introduce it just as you can see. The ingredient is so simple, but the taste and the outcome of this vegetable spaghetti stir fry was delicious. At this point, I'm going to stir properly to combine, adjust with any lacking ingredient if there is, and then you introduce a bit of margarine, butter, anyone you have available, to give a bit of shine to the spaghetti. And it's as simple as this. In the next couple of minutes, the spaghetti vegetable stir fry will be ready. And you can serve with any protein of your choice. And you can use this as a dinner, breakfast, or lunch. You can also pair this with salad or coleslaw, to give a little bit of shine and more vegetables incorporated into this food. And it's ready. If you've watched up until this time, thank you for staying through. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time to hit that subscribe button and turn on all your bell notifications so you'll be notified each time we introduce or post a new video. Thank you. And kindly do well to share to your friends. Hit that like button, like this video, and comment. And here I'll introduce a bit of spring onions to add freshness into this meal. And I will stir together to combine, allow it a bit time to marry each other, and the spaghetti is ready. Let me know if you will be trying this process in your next spaghetti stir fry. This is the outcome of the spaghetti and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next video, do have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.